How to install Kurzweil 3000 on Mac computers. This video will demonstrate how to install the desktop version of Kurzweil 3000. We will cover how to uninstall the old version of Kurzweil. You can skip this step if you have never installed Kurzweil on your computer before. Next, we will download and install the latest web license of Kurzweil. And lastly, we will install extra acapella voices. Uninstalling an older version of Kurzweil 3000 will not cause you to lose any Kurzweil documents, so you don't have to worry about losing your work. From the Applications folder in the Finder window, right-click on Kurzweil 3000 and click Move to Trash, or you can drag it to the trash bin. Then empty the trash bin. Check Security Settings. By default, Mac computers are set to not allow applications to run if they were downloaded from outside the App Store. If needed, change the default settings to download and install Kurzweil. First, go to the Apple icon in the upper left corner and go to System Preferences, then Security and Privacy. In the Security and Privacy window, click the General tab. Then click the Lock button on the bottom left. Follow the prompts to unlock your security and privacy settings. Under Allow Applications Downloaded From, select the App Store and Identified Developers button. Downloading the Kurzweil software. Download the latest software from the Kurzweil website. The link will be in the description box below. Click the subscription/web license link to start downloading the software. It may take several minutes to an hour to download the file, depending on your internet connection speeds. Wait for it to finish downloading. Press Command-Shift-J to open your Downloads library window and double-click the .dmg file to open it. Double-click the Kurzweil 3000 .package icon and click the Continue button in the Install Kurzweil 3000 window to start the installation wizard. Follow the instructions in the windows that display until the installation has been completed. Installing extra voices. From the initial installation screen, double-click the Install Acapella Voice Package icon. The Install Kurzweil 3000 window will pop up. Click the Continue button and then follow the prompts to complete the installation. You can also install additional voice packages from the Kurzweil website. Find a voice package you'd like to use, such as the North American and South American voices. Click the download link for a voice package to start downloading it. After the file finishes downloading, open it by double-clicking it. This will start the installation process. Then follow the prompts to complete installation. You can open Kurzweil 3000 by double-clicking the app icon in your Applications folder. The first time you open the app, you may receive a security warning. If you receive such a warning, then click Open, Yes, Allow, or the OK button. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or needs regarding the use of Kurzweil 3000, please contact us at dspamc@berkeley.edu. Thank you.